the Cadillac dealership. I am cleaning everything, making sure nothing is in the pockets. I'm picking up my car finally. I can't wait. This was a really cool rental. It's an XT4, a 2019. Let me check up here. And I'll show you real quick around the car. These are more updates than what I had in my car, which is cool. It's got the apps. I don't think my car has the apps. And then here is the dashboard. My dashboard is all digital, so that's one pro that I have. It's a 2019. Here's kind of what it looks like. It's got the USB-Cs in there for now on. They don't have USBs in. Well, I think that's still a USB, but yeah. This thing closes. Pretty spacious back there. Actually, it's not spacious at all. That is a complete 100% lie. Yeah, Mom. It is not on the internet? Spacious at all. Yeah, I'm capping on the internet. Very tight back here. So if you don't have any kids or you ain't got nobody and you just want something small that has a nice trunk space, then this is the car for you. The end. They gave me this cute bag to put all my trash in, so that's nice. Got my car back, like literally 1 hour later, because I had to unpack and reload, take the car seat out and everything. But got the car back, my AC's working. Apparently what happened was a thermostat in the engine went out. They had to get a part in it and it took over the weekend to get in. But it was crazy because the first thing that happened was I noticed that when I would turn the car off, the fan would stay running, and I believe it was the coolant fan that was continuously running. After that, I was like, you know, what the heck is going on? I waited a couple days to see, and I'm like, yeah, something's not right. Then the final day, the AC went out, and I'm like, oh heck no, I'm driving in hot Texas weather. I was like, you know what, I need to take this to the dealership, and luckily it was still covered under warranty, so we didn't have to pay anything. We just had to be stuck in a really tiny rental, which I'm grateful for, but it was just really small. So we're back in action. Now we can do the rest of our Christmas stuff. Hi. Are you gonna take a picture? Cheese. Cheese. This boy got too much energy for me. It is a long line to get out of here. I forgot to mention that the lady that checks you out, she gave me a little Christmas present. So cute. All it is a cookie. I thought that my keys were wrapped in here. And so she gave this to me and I was like, oh, are my keys in here? And she started laughing. She was like, no, you're holding your keys. I was like, oh. She was like, they're just cookies. And I was like, oh, well, thank you. I'll put it under the Christmas tree. This was supposed to be $50 deductible, but it wasn't. It's on the way back home, dealing with this crazy traffic. So see ya. I've got to go to a couple of stores today. I've got to go to Dillard's today, and I'm going to go early too. Well, early for me. It's 11 o'clock, and that's early for me to be out of the house and running errands. And so I'm going to go do that. Hopefully it's not busy. I know it's going to be busy because traffic was out there. Bye-bye. I'm going to go outside. Okay, see you later. I see you. I see your feet. I see you. There you are. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Oh no, my battery is dying. I finally got one of the Joby tripods because the one that I have is not good, and I just feel like this one's taller. I'll be able to stand it. I should have just invested in this a long time ago. I don't know why Craig always gets lucky with Yeezys being selected, and they just finally came in the mail. Well, they were at the front door, so I want to see what they look like. Ooh, golly. I must say, Wow.
That is beautiful.
Those are nice. Oh, it's got them throughout the whole shoe. Oh, okay. Wow. Nice. I went in the drawing and I didn't get selected for both of them. Ooh-yay-yay. Ooh-yay-yay. Excuse my plants right there. Everyone's not feeling well in this house and really sucks. I don't know what it is. My throat has been hurting. The little one's nose is running. Everyone's just not feeling good. We're taking Robitussin right now and hopefully that will feel better. The teenager doesn't feel well, so hopefully we'll all feel better by Christmas. I gotta do some Christmas grocery shopping and I haven't even done that, so I'm gonna go put on my makeup and get this day started because tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Okay. I just gotta let him eat without a shirt because I don't want him to get his shirt dirty.
There's not gonna be 20.
So here's my outfit of the day. I don't know why a lot of people were giving these new shirts bad reviews on Express because they're saying that you can't fit your head in the pocket, but my head fit quite fine. And then I'm just wearing my boots and my ripped pants. I did have to layer this with a black tank. It is kind of short, but that's what I'm wearing to go run some quick errands. So this is the shirt that is inside. It's just a workout shirt. I like the material and it's not clingy. I feel like this is the best material. Before I head out, I gotta put on my jewelry. We can't forget the tiger eye crystal bracelet, which will protect me from evil. It will probably be chaotic today since it's the day before Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna put on my tiger bracelet that will protect me from evil. And then I have this one. I forgot what this one's called. My niece actually has one too. We bought it at the same time. This will bring people to like you. So like customer service, maybe a customer service representative will give me a coupon or something, you know? This brings people to like you and love you and lust over you and stuff. It also attracts exes, but that's not what I'm using it for. I'm using this to attract good people and nice people. Like when I go to, like I'm about to go to Dillard's right now, so I'm hoping that the salesman is going to be really nice. Maybe customers too, because they're going to be lined up. I called earlier and the guy was like, I'm the only one here, so please bear with me. I'll be right back. And I was like, okay, go ahead, no problem. So it's apparently busy over there. And then of course my rings. This one, my sister and I had the same. We got it from Pandora. This one was, my husband got this for me. This was his first piece of jewelry to me, so I still have that. And my wedding ring. And then my watch. It is a replica Michelle band, watch band. Gosh, so I just pulled up here to the mall and now they're both sleeping. We got one. He's sleeping over there. He's sleeping. Ew, my lip. Okay, here we go.
Hunter! Hunter!
Okay, so I just pulled up to the house, finished doing everything that I needed to do today, grocery shopping and everything. But I bet you when I walk in the house, the Christmas tree is not going to be on because they just don't turn it on. No one turns it on and it's not going to be on. So I bet you. Let's shake on it. Nationwide is on your side. so I'm in for the night, and we are gonna do some wrapping. So found some wrapping paper at Walgreens that was $3.99, and he has lots of wrapping to do. Oh yeah, that's
How many months later?
Look at all the groceries.
Your feet are so perfect. They don't want pedicure.
All the groceries?
Kiss them.
You're gonna take everything out of the groceries?
Yeah.
You're gonna help me put them put them up? Look what I got. Ooh. Raisins. Yes, it's raisins.
Yes, you want strawberry?
Oh, yes, you want some?
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so apparently James is supposed to finish his last week, right? And what's it called? He came up the shop this morning open.
Okay, so earlier today I went through all of my plants and fed them, overfed them, whatever you want to call it, and then let them sit in here so that I just know every once in a while I always like to, you know, oversaturate them and let them sit, because sometimes they get dry. Some of them will have, you know, yellow leaves or whatever, and I don't really know why. This one I repotted, so this one is going through a phase. This one's kind of a hard one. I don't think I'll ever get another lily. If this one doesn't survive, that is all. And then here's my rubber leaf plant that's doing good. This one, Hunter likes to pull the leaves off. I absolutely love how thick the leaves are, and it's doing great. It's just that little guy right there. That little guy. What you doing? Are you eating? So while I go through all of the kitchen stuff, he is going to wrap up the presents that he got for people. Good.
The whole one?
Yeah. So for dinner, we're just having some smoked ribs. These are pre-made. They're from Louisiana. My husband gets them when he goes out, makes a trip out there. One of our friends knows places to go out there, and so pretty simple meal. Normally what you're supposed to do is put this in like a gravy, red gravy or whatever, but today we're just gonna make them in the air fryer, and Anthony is going to, he's going to put some barbecue sauce on top of them, on each of them, and then put them back in the air fryer and have a great yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh, you can go faster. You could be a little bit generous. I am going to end out tonight's video so I can hurry up and edit it. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Can you believe that already? What you got in your hand, Hunter? Let me see. No, give me the candle. Thank you. Here, come here, come say bye-bye. Alrighty, well, I will see you guys all later, and happy Christmas, early Christmas Eve. See you later.